Y'all ready to have a fun day?
Yeah.
Some fishing, some surfing, whatever else happens. Maybe cooking some clams on the beach.
Okay, cooking some clams.
Some peppies. What's up, girl? You. Time to load up on some pippies. All right, help me out, girl. Everybody's loading up.
First person to get a purple wins.
I got two. Pull over and pick up some pippies. Woo, look at that. Load them up. Xena, did you help us out?
Can you carry this?
Got a few extra kids with us today, so needed some extra ones.
Yeah.
There we go.
Let's have a quick watch. Please.
Is Clayton getting the fire going? You!
Look at the swell.
I know, this is it right here. Getting the grill fired up.
Trying. This thing's always hit or miss. And
Little
it's gonna
struggle
work.
bus. Got some sausages too. Come on now.
Good job. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Going out, Daddy?
Going out.
You gonna go get
It looks so good.
flatted?
I'm really hoping so.
Have fun. Be safe.
I'm so pumped. It's firing.
Love you. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, baby.
Send some barrels, Dad.
Tell Daddy, go get some barrels.
Bye.
I just flushed the sinuses pretty well.
Oh, good. How was that?
Unbelievable. Nobody around. What's going on?
White wine, garlic, onion, and chili. Ooh, it's delicious. And olive oil. You want to try a Pippi? First time having one. Eat it. Take the whole thing.
It's not good.
It's not good, she said. Mama's time to try. Let's see. Mmm. That is so good. Did Miss Krista hook you up? That's so nice. She hooked us up too.
Thanks, Snoozing. How's it been going up here? You want me to change out so you can do some fishing?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so what's the call, girl?
Throwing a Pippi on a hook and catching us some nice little whiting. Closer to the water.
Hey, did y'all get any fish?
Closer to the water, not even a bite. Look who just woke up. Little beach
Look at
cruise
that hair.
nap.
Oh, what is it?
Yeah, that's his stick.
He loved that stick.
Yeah, he was taking his monster truck and driving it on it.
Let some air out of the tires so we can get a little traction here. Another epic day in the books. We're gonna go home and roast some marshmallows. Woo! And we're free. And there's a kangaroo. And another. And another. We made it.
Krista hooked us up. She gave me this nice, cozy Volcom jacket, and then she also gave us this double baby stroller. So we're gonna hop in, get the kids in here, and go down to Bob's shop.
Guys, they are taking care of us here. Whew. We're not gonna wanna leave. Clayton drove me on the jet ski for like 3 hours again. I'm blown away. This is the best surfing situation I've ever been put in. This is like if I was a pro surfer and some company was taking care of me.
For real. It feels good to have a stroller.
Feels good to have friends we know too. Are we gonna go get a lighter so we can have a fire?
Yeah, you're having marshmallows.
You wanna do it?
And to spot a koala bear wins a marshmallow.
What about a foot massage?
Okay, foot massage. What's so cool is in the front of our house, there's a big, huge paper tree. And Clayton taught me that it literally peels off like paper and you can use it for kindling for your fire. So we don't even need any starter.
So nice we can just walk down to the little general store. It's probably 200 or 300 yards down the road. Perfect little stroll with the kids.
And it feels so good out.
Cool little houses all over the place. None of them are the same. Every one of them's different.
No cookie cutters around here.
We're at the little general store.
Bob's shop.
Old Bob's shop. Do you think we need very strong?
Do you not know what it's like editing all these videos and dealing with these kids and having these days?
So we need very strong?
We need very strong. Coming from Indo bread to this bread is like, where's my crustless, soft, beautiful bread?
Best bread on the planet, 100%.
You want me to put the bread down there?
Please.
The conveniences of having a little storage stroller.
How long has it been?
It's been a few months. And this is so much nicer going down the hill. Ah, bye! One of Dad's favorite, all-time favorite pro surfers lives like 3 houses down from us.
I don't know about all-time favorite, but definitely one of my favorite right now.
This is actually towards the tree.
Nice, that's perfect.
And you can use that for the wood.
Thank you. Let's go. Well, thankfully someone left a few pieces of wood. We might have to replenish it for them, but we're gonna use it. Let's do it. We got the fire rolling.
And Mama said I can have 1 marshmallow.
Before dinner?
Yep.
And then you can have some more if you eat dinner?
Yeah.
Nice.
Are different. They're no artificial colors or flavors, but they're pink in there too. Pink and white.
Nice.
All right. You want a pink or a white one?
I want the pink because it's my favorite color and I eat them.
All right.
Because I ate 1.
Here we go. All right, sissy.
No, I want to wait for it's not hot. Is it not hot? Mom.
Okay, I'm gonna make you one. Yours is a little baby one. For a little baby boy. All right, Bubby, this one looks perfect for you. Try a little bite.
Let's see how messy I can make it. You like it, Bubba?
You do a little dance.
Little wiggle dance.
More.
Nice.
Clayton dropping some wood off. Heck yeah.
This guy.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
We were working with some scraps here.
We were. That's so funny.
God, they're taking care of us. Just brought us some firewood. We're gonna be set all night and some.
Bob's special frozen pizzas. We got a supreme with some fresh mushrooms and a margarita with some fresh mushrooms.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures.